Hey, what's up my good people? Jeff Carbuoy here and welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you the fuse box location here on this Toyota Sienna, and this particular one is a 2012 Toyota Sienna. So this one comes with a couple of fuses, and we're going to check the first one inside the engine compartment. So we pop up the hood like here, and coming inside the engine bay is going to be located, the first fuse box is going to be located on the driver's side next to the battery right here. This big box right here, you reach all the way at the back, you lift it up like that, and there is a tab here that you need to press and lift. Okay, just like that. And when you remove the cover, you access the first fuse panel that is going to comprise some fuses and the relays, as you can see. And as you can see, this is a Toyota. Now on the back of the cover, let's see, the back of the cover, you find the fuse information. Now if you liking this video, give it a thumbs up. Also let me know what you think on the comment section. Subscribe if you haven't, and thank you guys for your support. Now to put the cover back together, you just line it up, press it until it click and lock in place, and that is the first fuse box. There is no any other fuse panel inside the engine compartment, so we're going to go inside the cabin. Now here on the driver's side, just below the power steering, and then above the push foot brake, yeah, it's called foot brake, there is another fuse box. I'll show you, and you see this cover right here, we need to pop it out, and as you can see, that is our second fuse set right there. And this one is just quite a bunch of fuses, no relays on this one. And now let's see on the back of the cover. This one, nothing on the inside of the cover. The diagram is actually on top of the cover right here, and this is orientation. See, like this one is a washer, 20 amp, wiper, 20 amp, and all that good stuff. Now we're going to lay back this cover. Make sure you line up these two tabs on the back, and then it's going to lock in on the front tab right here. So right now on the back right there. And there we go, it's locked in place. Those are the two fuse box locations on the Toyota Sienna. Thank you guys for watching. Stay tuned. My name is Jeff Carbuoy. Again, if you haven't subscribed, make sure you hit that subscribe button and stay tuned. More videos will be coming up.